Hello everyone. Today we will study about variability of insolation at the surface of the earth. Before starting our today topic, don't forget to like my videos and subscribe my channel. So what are the factors that causes the variability of insolation? The factor causing variation in insolation are rotation of earth on its axis. The rotation of earth causes different variation in insolation in earth. The angle of inclination of sun rays, the length of day, the transparency of the atmosphere also plays an important part, because if the dust particle and some water vapor like materials are there in atmosphere, then it causes reflection of a sunlight. Configuration of land in terms of its aspects. Now the fact that earth axis makes an angle of 66.5 with the plane of its orbit around the sun has a greater influence on amount of insolation received at different latitude. The second factor that determines the amount of insolation received is angle of inclination of rays. These depend on the latitude of a place. So the latitude of a place helps in finding us which area has a more inclination of insolation. The higher the latitude, the less is the angle they make with the surface of earth, resulting in a slant run rays. So if the latitude will be higher, then there will be a less angle, and then it will make the surface of earth, resulting in a slant run rays. If more area is covered, the energy get distributed and net energy received per unit area decrease. Moreover, slant rays are required to pass through greater depth of atmosphere, resulting in more absorption, scattering and diffusion. Now, the atmosphere is largely transparent to shortwave solar radiation. The incoming solar radiation passes through atmosphere before striking the Earth's surface. Within the troposphere, water vapor and ozone and other gases absorb much of near infrared radiation. So much of the infrared radiation are absorbed by water vapor, ozone and gases, and the rest remaining are heated at the Earth's surface. Now, small suspended particles in troposphere scatter visible spectrum both to space and towards the earth. So this is an important topic, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.